Hello, my dear non-teaching staffs. Welcome you all in this platform. It was the vision and mission of our respective principals to do something special, to do something extra. Since we are in lockdown period, that means we are locked in our homes. We can't go out and we can't interact with each other. So, as principals have suggested us that let us do something in which we can come together and we can interact with each other. So, in this process, today we are going to have a session on one of the aspect of writing skill. And that means in this process we will try to do two things. One, to improve our writing skill, and the number two is we will try to improve our presentation skill. So in this process of doing, we will first begin with the writing skill, and today we are going to discuss over one aspect of the writing skill, that is application writing. How to write application and what is an application is all about, that we will discuss today. Application. What do you mean by application? Application is a form of letter, or is a kind of letter in which we try to seek permission or try to request to our authority that we are doing this work and we need to take permission from you so that we can do that. So that is all about application. Application is a kind of letter in which we try to seek permission or we try to appeal to our authority so that we can do our work. So application is all about this. Now let's discuss over the term, that is reasons or the issues for which we try or we write our application. So there are basically 4 reasons or issues on which we used to write application. Number 1, to attend some marriage. If we have to attend some marriage, we seek permission from our authority to attend so, to do so. Number 2 is visiting to our visiting or going out of station. That means if we are going out of station from our city, so at that condition we have to write an application, we have to seek permission from our authority. Now come to the next point, that is health issues. Health related issues. If we are having any kind of issue related to our health problem, so in such condition we also need to write an application to our authority to seek permission and to live in our home. So now come to the next point, that is death issue. Death is also a reason or an issue in which we have to write an application to our authority to seek permission so that we can attain whatever rituals that happens in that program. So that is all about the reasons or the issues related to the writing an application. Okay, now let us discuss about the types of application. There are various kinds of application. Number 1, casual leave application. Number 2, leave application for marriage. Number 3, leave application for office. Number 4, leave application for college. Then medical leave application. Then sick leave application. Then maternity leave application. Then leave application for fever. Leave application to the boss, and half day leave application. So these were the types of application that we will discuss one by one in our coming sessions. Now let us discuss about the tips. Now let us discuss about the tips. How do we write an application? For that, first point, write it in a polite manner and it sounds real. That means we should use the word that should reflect the politeness in our writing. And the second thing, it should be real. Whatever reason we are giving for seek permission for leave, that should be real. And now come to the next point, that is write the purpose in crisp and short. That means we should not write in a broad, that means it should not be lengthy. It should be short and precise. Now come to the next point, that is it should be to the point. Yes, whatever reason we are giving, that should be centered and that should be focused. That means to the point we should write. We should not write in an elaborate form. Now come to the next point, that is cross-check with grammar mistake or punctuation. Always if we try to write, if we write something, if we should see the punctuation and the grammar before sending it. So that is all about, or before giving it. If we are writing an email or something like that, so before sending we must check the grammar and punctuation, and if we are writing in paper something, so we must check it. Now let us discuss about the format of writing an application. This is the most important part of writing an application, that is we must have an idea about the format, in what format we have to write. So first of all, before beginning this, I must explain you that in today's time, that means in modern days, everything whatever we mention, that we mention in left alignment. That means in our childhood time we have seen that something we used to write at the center, something we used to write at the right, but nowadays it is accepted that whatever we will mention, we will write in a left alignment. That means we will begin with the first we will begin with the address or the name of the person to whom we are giving this application. That will come here with his name and his address. Now come to the next thing, that is date. We have to mention date just below to that, and we will not write date at right side or left side or below or above. No, we will mention the date here just below to the position of the person we are addressing, just below to that we will write. And the second thing about writing a date, we should write in this form. That means we should not write in a digit form like 11th, 05 and 2020. We will not write in that form. Rather we will write in this formal way. That means if of today's date we will mention, so we will mention in this way, 11th of May 2020. Now come to the next part, that is subject. We will write subject just below to the date, and in subject one thing we must remember, we must know that you should give the term or the topic in subject that should show the reason for writing this application. That means for what reason you are going to write this application, that should reflect from your subject itself. That means it so happened that while going through all this kind of application, the authority, they are not having so much time. So in a very hurried, they will just look at if, for what reason this application has been written. So from your subject, it should reflect the reason for writing this application. That is all about the subject. Now come to the next part. Then we will mention the salutation. Salutation, that means now salutation part. We will write the respected sir or madam here. Then from just below to that, we will start the main body. That means we will not write from here or anywhere else. Rather we will begin with here only at the left alignment, and from here we will begin our main application, that is the main body of the application. Now come to the last portion, that is your name. First of all we will write thanking you, yours sincerely. Then we will write our name, then designation, whosoever we are. So we will write it here. So this was all about the format. First of all, receiver's address, then date, then subject, then salutation, then the main body, and then your name, the person who is writing this application, and his or her designation. So this was all about the format of application. That was all about application. Thank you very much. You must have done so many things, understand so many things. We will see in next video.